What is going on, miners, and welcome back to the Hobbyist Miner channel. Well, it is hot. We have this AC running down here, working, editing, doing my day-to-day job. I have to have that running. My daughter's gymnastics bar. So wanted to give you guys a quick update on our crypto mining basement renovations. A lot of you guys had asked kind of like, what's your ROI on this? So my wife and I have been planning this for 2 years now, before I even considered getting into mining. So I'm not really looking at ROI, especially because 99% of the basement is designed for a living space. This will be more of a living room area here. My desk is out here, but I am so happy to report I'm not living off of extension cords. So there were 2 outlets down here originally when we first moved in. And now up till this week, we now have upwards of 20 down here. So all the electrical outlets, there's one actually up here where the TV will be. They're all over the place. There's one back behind my computer here. That's in place there now. So no extension cords. And in the darker area in this nook here, there's one there, one over there. So I actually did them myself. I had an electrician come out, the guy I've been using. He's a retired electrician. Comes out in the evenings here and there, and it gave me a crash course on how to wire these things. And they're not super difficult, just needed to know how to do it, how to daisy chain them and everything like that. So all of my electric outlets actually start over here. I put this little junction box here, so they come in from my garage panel and go into here, and I went ahead and labeled them. And then from here, they go out to the rest of the basement. Where they need to be. I'm actually going to do a home run for my internet from here and then back out to the mining room once that's finished. So anyways, electric's done, which is awesome. You guys are going to laugh at me. Look at that. I hung a box fan. Perfect opportunity to use a zip tie, and these have a hoop in them, and hang this box fan. So this room is going to be my office. So next week I'm moving my equipment from here into this room here. Let me get away from it a little bit. So I'll give you guys a little view. So the desk is going to go in here against this wall, and then my mining equipment is going to move into the mining room. Look, I put another one there. Don't laugh at me. The reason that I haven't moved anything yet is because the Ethernet cables are not done in the mining room. So I want to get those done, because then once that's done, I'll be in a much better place. But the reason these are up here is because the heat, I mean, it's been 99 to 100 here in Pennsylvania, and then 60% humidity. It's just been stupid hot here. And even down here with that air conditioning running and these running, it's 90 in this room right here. It's 90 in this room right here. So it makes me rethink a lot of my airflow so far. Now, granted, it's not very contained. I think once it's contained, it'll do much better. But let me scoot through here. I do have these going, so I do apologize. But yeah, you can see, like right now, it's come down. It was up to 93, but the box fans have really helped. 89. What's this one? 97, right in the middle of things. So it's definitely warm. But coming in here, it should be a little bit better. It's actually more comfortable in here. It's 86 in here, it says. So the Ethernet has to get done. That's on my list to do next week. And the electrician's going to try to come out tomorrow if he has time and install this last 240 volt with the AC monitor and over there. So once that one's done and this one's done and the Ethernet's done in here, I don't have to do anything else in here. So then that gives me a good opportunity to go ahead and move the mining equipment in here. Even though it's opened up here, I mean, it's kind of closed off. There's a little area there. It'll still, I feel like the heat will still stay a little more isolated into this room versus out there. It's just so much space for it. So I do have, as we talked about, 2 6-inch AC Infinity fans behind this wall, running this exhaust here and this exhaust here. But I've started thinking about it more and more. I might actually reach out to AC Infinity themselves, talk about this room, get their thoughts and opinions, and I might install more exhaust over here. And I might, because it's still open, there's no drop ceiling. So each of these is a 6-inch, and then it actually combines into like a Y splitter to one 6-inch and goes out. So I might add another 6-inch out here and run them individually, and then look at adding more exhaust in this room. But I do need to keep in mind negative pressure. So I do have intake behind this wall. You can see the 2 fans there. They come out at the bottom, but I have them taped right now because this room isn't sealed off, so I'm not pulling in any air externally for this room. So I'm thinking about doing a little bit more robust. I'm kind of regretting not going a little more ham and going crazy. So I might go with like 4, I don't know. I gotta talk to AC Infinity, but I might go with like 4 total over here, like, and then I gotta figure out my intake, and this literally, like this wall over here may just become a boatload of exhaust. I don't know, we gotta figure it out, but I got some time on it. But yeah, I thought you guys would enjoy our fans up top here. But I put them up top because the heat keeps rising, so I wanted to get some of that hot air out. I had them on the floor, but I know the most of the hot air is up top, so I wanted to get the hot air into this room, and then that's where the exhaust is at. Anyways, guys, I thought I'd offer you guys this quick update. Casual, nothing crazy, but a good laugh. But I do think I need to bolster up my exhaust and my intake. So I'm looking for your thoughts and opinions down below. Anyways, guys, thank you guys very much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.